Yellow guy showing a boy for camera protect sir. Happy employed another vibe, definitely another vibe. So currently we can see like always today we just gonna have the market analysis toward what has been currently happening in gold. Guys, it's amazing how we spotted the previous points where we said we are still looking for buys. If you remember in the Telegram group, I spoke something quite different. Say, look, we're anticipating for price to eat TP1, sorry, not TP1, to eat these targets, right? Those are the targets which was back then was the points where we were expecting price to hit, and we can see how amazing God hit all the TP up until to the 4 TP, right? To the fourth TP, meaning if someone would have been entered, if we were to say, look, man, like, I'm going to enter this market at the point, this point, and then until this point, would have made a lot of money, guys. And yeah, would have made a lot of money, thousands of money. But then, unfortunately, we didn't take advantage of it, right? So one thing that I'm currently saying and right now is we want to backtest together and to see what kind of opportunities would have happened in the day, right? So but then you might still wondering say why, because this point at this point we still just to the local things. I might be saying I'm looking for buys, right? I'm still looking for buys opportunities, even in as much as I didn't trade today, I didn't see the market today for some reasons. But then um I'm just wanting to backtest in the market to see how we can look out for opportunities for future opportunities, right? So if you can see, guys, not only that, but then we can see that God is gonna appreciate even better and more. Just like if you can see, let me just go to the other pair before we go and further. We have US Tech. You okay. Let me just put NAS 100. Okay. Uh, the ah, I think it's this one. So you can see how NAS has been pushing, guys. Meaning, at some point, we still are see that position whereby, and for those that don't know, for those people that knows and don't know, currently, even me right now, I can see more of the buys now, sales, right? Until to this point, it NAS 100. Just like what has been currently happening, I am anticipating for elevation. Uh, um, okay. I'm anticipating for the reversal now. Why? Because look, with Nas, it has been consistently pushing, pushing below this point, right? So I can see that this would have been a strong, respected trend, right? In the actual sense, we would have been considered this one as as a trend. Why? Because if at all we can see how Nas is still pushing, we saw that it has consistently been pushing, but then we're not going just to see that opportunity. We're going to say this can be our first TP. This is the long-term view, and since today is Thursday, I'm definitely gonna expect a huge reversal in the market. So meaning, if we can say we're going to reverse TP here, this is what I might see. Okay, and then you might be wondering why, because look, in the actual sense, this TP, the first TP here, was either in the market. Okay, this first TP here, the second TP here, sorry, not TP, sorry, the was this I'm used with TPs, guys, my apologies. the trend was respected about 3 to 4 times here, and this is why we're saying okay, the market still seeing some selling opportunities, because each time the price hit at this point it was dropping, right? So at whole, if we can see price being that situation, though the candle is not trying to, it's trying to show us something, right? So but then if you are to see price at least crosses below this point, but if we are to see the reversal, let me show you. If I was anticipating or to see a reversal right now, it is once this candle in the 4 hour time frame, which is 2 hour 1 minute from now, we can see if price crosses below is to fill up this candle, and then it might be willing to push until to this, either this point, and this is the point where I might also, if it hits this point, I'm currently seeing maybe price to go lower than that. But then we are not here for NAS 100, but let me just show you what I'm looking forward to see in XAUD. Hopefully this thing is recording. Sometimes you find that you feel like you're recording, can't you? You're not. Okay, thank you. So XAUSD. If you trade with Xness, you should make sure that you go to seed index. Because this is the only one that shows that moves based on how, because if you can see how under symbols, the way the symbols are after XAUD, symbols are different based on the broker that you trade with. So if you're trading with Xness, make sure that you do the right thing by making sure like to see to trade with the same, right? So currently, as I was talking about XAUD, which is gold, I've been seeing opportunities like buying opportunities for in the long term view, and there's no way to argue that price is still in that position of expecting more of the buys. Okay, but then I'll still show you why and how we're going to look for these buying opportunities or selling opportunities, if at all, so right. So then you can see in the daily time frame, sorry, in the 4 time frame, I'm seeing that price has consistently been pushing above, right? Has been consistently pushing above. But then if I were to see to come back into the lower time frame, which is okay, yeah, which is the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price, even in as much as it dropped here, it came and respected this point, right? And one thing that I'm currently seeing is, if at all, because price has shown us this symbol where market has rejected the sales and thinking of trying to push above, right? So meaning we can't see that price was in a bullish movement, right? But then we can see there is a high, a low, a high here, higher low up until, right? So meaning the TP would be here. Okay, so meaning this is what I'm mostly currently seeing. I don't know how you see yourself, but then if I were to see the market, this is I'm going to see it, right? So let me just go into the right time frame just for us to confirm. So first of all, what I'm consistently in looking forward to is to see market, okay, moving in a certain direction, in a particular direction. Then in the lower time frame, such as 50 minutes time, sorry, such as 1 hour time frame or 50 minutes time frame, I usually do look at for those opportunities where and where should I buy, or what is currently the momentum, or what is currently happening, the reaction, right? So I know there are traders that says, okay, bro, I believe even in as much as you are saying, we're seeing maybe price eating this as a reversal and start going down. No, okay, I believe that's what you might be seeing, but since this market or this candle rejected this point, and that's not only thing that I saw in the market. Previously, I saw that the price also respected this point, right? This point was respected, right? So okay, yeah, okay, uh, okay. This point was respected at this point, right? So meaning me, I'm still anticipating for more of the buys at some point, because only if you see maybe say, oh, seeing price to cross below this point, below this point here, then I'm seeing buys, but then sells, but then this has been a strong resistance point, sorry, a strong support level where the market, in fact, it started from here, it hit it, came, and then here it also repeated itself. So currently my trade, I would say I would look for the setup, saying okay, this is a point here, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 here, 1 to 2 here. Okay, this is 10 minutes time frame, and I think if I were to calculate very well to see what is currently happening, to measure the all movement, is we can see that price can, we have about one, okay, it's not, because 10, okay, this thing is okay. Okay, so let's just do the calculating. This shouldn't be 17 points, guys. I'm not saying that thing. Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, so at all, I don't know what's going on, but maybe if I would have refreshed, let's refresh this, the refreshment. Okay, let's just start again. XAUSD. So I think for this point is about 175 points, and if I were to lose, you're losing about, say, 73. No, it's a lot, guys. But then I think if I'm to enter the market right now, this is what I'm mostly seeing, and this is what I would see. Okay, so currently if you are to look for the market right now, this is 18 hours. If you are at all entering the market, you can enter the market at this point until the exit point here, but then overload TP can be here, which is 1 to 7. Right, so for now I think this is where I'm gonna end this video, guys. It's one only boy, favorite Carmen, very much excited. I'll show you the result later on, if at all, if possible, and I'm going to show you what is currently happening, like what is currently happening. The market is currently pushing our way. So this is the easiest way I analyze the market. Simple but yet effective. I always say this: simple yet effective, guys. So apart from that, it's one and only boy, favorite Carmen, very much excited. Signing out. Peace.